Bandaje Falls is this really beautiful waterfalls in a secluded spot of the Western Ghats and is accessible only by a trek. Joining me on this trek is my brother Shreyas, cousins Shawn and Sharon, and a friend Elroy. There's this really clear sign at the start of the trek route giving you contact details and costs for hiring a guide on this route. Now, if you haven't done this trek before, you will need a guide as there are multiple routes at a few places and you could get lost.
Let's go!
This route witnessed a huge landslide last year during the monsoons. You can also find a small stream here to replenish your water, and this is the last spot you'll get any water or shade until you reach the waterfalls. The fort itself is about an hour's trek, and the sunrise and sunsets are just out of this world. At one point, we were literally walking through the clouds. Bandaje Falls is fed by this big stream that comes out of a dense jungle. The water is cold and forms some lovely pools to chill out with your friends. And of course, no camping trip is complete without Maggi noodles.
Okay, flavor. Hot. This is good stuff.
And while I've only been showing you the wow parts of this trek, here's the reality behind it. You thought you could get away from home from the coronavirus? Go Corona! Go Corona!
It's like the only place in the world where you can take a dump to the most beautiful view ever. That's called taking a real dump. The relief it gives. Splendid.
Let's